Alright, so back on the Pulsar, driver's lower control arm, lower ball joint, so you can see she's seen better days there. Pulled this out earlier today. We'll try and replace the ball joint, we'll see how we go with that, give it a bit of a general tidy up, and then we'll throw it back in the car. A couple of things to note, it's got a white line anti-lift kit, and looks like other component here is a nylethane bush, which still looks like it's in okay condition, so we'll use that. We'll just replace the ball joint and then we'll get it back in the car. So that'll be today's project, try and sort that one out, so we'll see how we go. So got the ball joints all pressed in now, both drivers and passengers side, so we'll get that back in the car and then hopefully we can get everything bolted back together and back going. Here's the old ball joints, so you can see obviously both of these ones have seen better days, so yeah, happy to have those changed out, and it'd be good to get all this stuff back in. We can start getting front suspension back on and getting the car back together, which is good. Last thing on the agenda today, sway bar bushes. So while I had all the control arms out, I just took all the sway bar out as well. It was just easier to take the whole thing out. Obviously the bushes are a bit worn, so easier to replace it all now. So just got standard Super Pro replacement items. So we'll throw those in and then get everything torqued back down and we should be good to go. So she's all done, sway bar bushes in, car's back on the ground as you can see. Ride height's about probably where I wanted it to be. It's the first time it's been back on the ground since I put all the suspension in. Obviously she's sitting higher than what it was on the coilovers. It's probably about comparable to where it was sitting from a standard perspective. Pretty much in line with what I had wanted for the car anyway. So yeah, so that's pretty much where we'll leave it for today. Here's some previous videos you can watch on the Pulsar. A couple more videos will be out soon, and then hopefully we'll have it on the road, which I'm very much looking forward to. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.